Good morning. We are here again today to talk about Semi di Lino. We have seen in our other meetings how Semi di Lino takes care of the hair fiber, both of slightly dry, healthy hair and of dry, very dry or damaged hair, so that it reaches its best possible condition and is shiny, easy to detangle and resistant. Today, however, we will see a new line that takes care of issues or hypothetic issues that may arise in the scalp. But what are the main problems we can encounter? Dandruff, hair loss, excess sebum, sensitive scalp. Let's see then how Semi di Lino can respond to these four anomalies. The big points that they all have in common being dysbiosis. Dysbiosis is imbalance of the bacterial flora in the scalp. Semi di Lino has therefore decided to target these issues by working directly on the human microbiota. There are some very valuable tools that allow us to keep the bacterial flora of the scalp in the optimal state, called probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are bacteria that make us feel good and help our balance to be perfect. Prebiotics are the food of this bacteria. Therefore, the new Semi di Lino contains both the probiotics and the prebiotics that will help to rebalance the bacterial flora. Within our new Semi di Lino scalp line, we will find out about the three specific categories: renew, rebalance, and relief. The current specific know-how of Semi di Lino is contained in all three of these categories. Urban Defense, Pro Shine Fix Complex, and Color Fix Complex are present in the whole scalp range. We now move on to understanding each of these categories product by product. Scalp Renew, Energizing and Hair Loss Prevention. There is an Energizing Shampoo, an Energizing Lotion, and an Energizing Tonic, with an active ingredient that helps to prevent and reduce hair loss, Bio-Renew Complex. Scalp Rebalance, rebalancing for dandruff and sebum control. There is an exfoliant scrub, a purifying shampoo, and a balancing shampoo with an anti-sebum active ingredient, Sebonorm Complex, and Anti-Dandruff One, Pure Set Complex. Scalp Relief, Dermo Soothing for the care of sensitive skin. There is a soothing Micellar shampoo and a soothing tonic with a soothing active ingredient, Derma Comfort Complex. But how are these new categories inserted within the current Semi di Lino line? It definitely creates the opportunity for specific services for anti-dandruff, anti-sebum, hair loss prevention, or specifically for sensitive skin. The system always stays the same. There are always three phases: a detox phase, a care phase, a gloss phase. Within all these three phases, we will also see how to use the new products in the renew, relief, rebalance categories with the existing Semi di Lino lines. 4 new specific services: Renew service with the use of detoxifying mud and energizing low shampoo, the most suitable Semi di Lino fiber treatment. Energizing lotion and energizing tonic. Balanced service with the use of detoxifying mud, balancing low shampoo, the most suitable Semi di Lino fiber treatment, and energizing tonic. Purifying service with the use of Rebalance gentle exfoliating scrub, purifying low shampoo, the most suitable Semi di Lino fiber treatment, and energizing tonic. Relief service with the use of the detoxifying mud, calming micellar low shampoo, the most suitable Semi di Lino fiber treatment, and calming tonic. All 4 services come with dedicated massages to amplify the performance of the treatment, and with crystals to enhance the radiance of the hair.